Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to fix GCash account is on hold. So let's get started. So if your GCash account is on hold, then there are a few reasons why it might be on hold. So the first reason might be that your GCash account isn't verified for over 12 months. Another reason is that your information and documents that you provided might be incorrect, or your account is involved in illegal activities, or maybe they have got a direct form from a government to restrict your limits. And also if your GCash account is inactive, they will put it on hold. Now to solve this issue, what you have to do is to go into your browser and now search for GCash Help Center. Go to the first link. Now in the GCash Help Center, go into your GCash account and now go into manage your account. Now you will be brought to this page. Now scroll down and you'll see three options. Click on account was restricted and now click on the link that says click here to submit the following requirements. Now you need to provide them two valid government IDs and also a photo of your actual SIM or screenshot of the SIM card under the phone settings. Now just fill out all these details and there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.